We're gonna launch the rocket.
Yeah, we have Chief Engineer Luke.
Yeah.
Yep. And Chief Idiot. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I don't even know where it's gone. I can't see it at all. I'm just filming the sky now. There it is, tiny. It's right over there, miles away.
Oh my God.
I'm fairly sure it's in space. It might be in orbit because I can't see a rocket coming back down anywhere. Oh, there.
There it is.
We found it. Go catch it, Luke. I've lost it again. It's somewhere.
There.
I can't see it on the video, but... Oh, there it is. Finally. Oh, he nearly caught it.